Hello, I'm Dr. El Said. Welcome to Zen Dental Care. My favorite part of dentistry is forming relationships with patients, alleviating their pain, and helping patients find a dental home that they would want to come back to. Lately, I would say I'm more of a cat person. Patients that are new to our office, I would want them to know that your visit does not have to be scary. You don't have to be apprehensive. We have a lot of amenities such as TVs on the ceiling, noise-canceling headphones, aromatherapy, blankets, a lot of amenities to help make your visit more comfortable. We pride ourselves on being able to communicate well with the patient and explain what is going on and their procedures and help them make educated decisions on the treatment they need. One of my favorite restaurants in the area is Tommy's Tavern. It's right up the block. The food is phenomenal. You should be flossing every night. Do not skip if you want your gums to be healthy. A lot of people are afraid of root canals, but they do not have to be scary and they do not have to be painful. I really like sci-fi. Currently, I'm watching Resident Alien. It's really funny. When I am not in the office, my boys, they keep me super busy. Most of our weekends are spent on the soccer field. This summer, I went to Egypt. That's where I'm from. And beautiful beaches, lots of history. I would say it's one of my favorite places to be. A smile is one of the first things people see, and it does tell a lot about your personality. So most important is for you to keep it nice and healthy. When I was thinking about my vision for the office and how I wanted the office to be comfortable, relaxing, and homey for patients, I came up with the name Zen Dental Care, and I think it embodies what we do here in the office. One of the things that I really enjoy about New Jersey is that we have a lot of parks and a lot of scenery, so I tend to take a lot of nature walks and hikes with my family. Some of the best advice I've received is to follow your dream and to be persistent because life is short, so you might as well enjoy what you're doing.